Hey, it's Scott, and welcome to your virtual video walk around. Looking for a clean Escape or just want to get away? Just kidding. 2017 Ford Escape right here. Stock number is T20874A. Take notice of the exterior condition on this Escape. No scratches, no dents, no dings. Lots of ample cargo space, as you're going to see. Get this vehicle is a super nice Carfax certified one-owner vehicle with just over 17,000 miles. That's super low miles on this Escape. This does come equipped with the EcoBoost 1.5 liter, 6-speed automatic transmission. Ample legroom for friends and family, as you can see, that are traveling with you, and putting you in the driver's seat with power seats, of course. Ease of access to all the controls. And this vehicle will not last long. For more information on her or any others in her inventory, give us a call, email us, text us, better come on down. We'd like to meet you in person and hopefully earn your business. We hope you've enjoyed your virtual video walk around. Make it a great day.
Sunset Ford of Sumner, right on Highway 410. You just get more at Sunset, and people do like that.